Welcome to my 812 Superfast. Long awaited. आप लोगों ने देखा है in the configurator, but now this is the car in real life. We can do a walkover and I will explain you all the things about this car. We start from the interior. So as you can see, the entire car is in blue and yellow combination. So you can see the diamond pattern seats, the yellow stitching, diamond pattern headliner on the roof, again with yellow stitching. Yellow prancing horse, yellow seat belt, and a lot of carbon fiber, guys. Everything inside the car, all the carbon fiber options have been selected. Steering wheel is in carbon, the shift paddles are in carbon, and you have your central tunnel, your bridge, everything is in carbon, including your AC vents. Those are in carbon, and we have done some GLO accents. GLO, for you guys don't know, it's Italian for yellow.
Okay.
So these are all called GLO accents. For those of you who don't know, this is a very practical car. Unlike your Pistas, Spiders and all, we have a lot of boot space. So you have a parcel shelf here with the space to put in bags. We have a decent sized boot as well, which I'll show you. Have a cup holder, have door sills where you can post some stuff. Have a glove box where you can put stuff. So very practical car that can be driven daily, and which I would obviously be driving daily. So, and the special feature which you guys have seen a picture of, I'll just show you that right now.
Yes, let's go.
As you can see, this is the 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12, the last of the V12s that Ferrari is going to make. The cylinder block for this is being designed by Enzo Ferrari himself. So Ferrari, as you all know, it's quite famous for racing heritage and all. But to fund his racing program, Ferrari started selling road cars. And the famous road car has always been front engine Berlinettas, which are suited for Grand Tourers. This particular engine cover is very special to me. It's not an option that you can pay. This is the car serial number. So in their 70 years of making Ferraris, so this is the 2,68,423rd car. So that's how many cars they have sold. The average about 10,000 cars per year, out of which V12s are about 2K on an average, 2,500. They don't disclose the exact figures, but this is what I got from their factory. So these are 72 people who have worked on the car, and I have requested them to sign on the engine cover. This guy is 72 years old. I don't know his name, but he is the only living guy in Ferrari right now who has actually seen and worked with Enzo Ferrari.
Oh my God.
And is dedicated only for the V12 line. So he just looks after all the V12 production. This is the second car in the world to have this feature outside the TaylorMade program. TaylorMade is Ferrari's Atelier program, where you can go to Ferrari and they can even do your DNA sequencing to determine your skin color, and they can match that color to your interior or your body paint and all that, just like all the other luxury brands do. In TaylorMade program, people have asked Michael Schumacher or Kimi Raikkonen, all their Formula 1 world champions, to sign. That's part of the TM program, but this is outside TaylorMade, and this is the second car in the world to have it. You have to describe your passion and love towards Ferrari for them to sign on the car. They just don't sign on any random car. It's not that you can go to the showroom today and ask Ferrari to sign. They won't do it. You have to describe your passion. And fortunately, all thanks to Nargis from Ferrari Mumbai for helping me out to describe my passion and my love towards Ferrari to make this dream come true. Show you all the features and all the options that I have taken in the car. Everything that you see on the car is an option. This is the front splitter which connects to the bumper. This is carbon fiber, and that's an option. Come on to the side, the calipers which are in yellow. That's an option. The front mounted shields, that is an option as well. Coming to the back is where the most expensive option is. You have your rear diffuser and the rear exhaust pods. The exhaust itself is made out of titanium. This is 12 kilos lighter than your regular standard exhaust. The entire diffuser is made out of carbon fiber. And this is your options list, guys. Every Ferrari comes with it. And these are all the options that are there on my car. So if tomorrow one of your friends wants a particular option, you can always show this number and get it. Car's not gone through PPF yet. PPF is paint protection film, which we are going right now. So we wouldn't be doing a driving thing right now, but we would surely go for a short drive till that place, and you can hear some beautiful V12 exhaust. So we would do a driving and real-time issue with the car, or how my experience is with the car once I do the drive. So stay tuned for that. That would be part 2. And this is the modification that is happening to the house right now because of Ferrari. So we are trying to have a small cover shade for it, so for the car to be parked. This car needs to be plugged in when you are not driving, so that the battery doesn't discharge.
Okay.
So we have put a wall mount already for that.
Okay.
And this is where the car would stand, and that's pretty much it.
And where is the Mercedes and AMG आपका first love?
AMG is right now not in this house. Obviously, as you can see, we don't have space for it. So I'm currently parking the 2 cars which I use right now.
Yes.
Obviously, M3 is in servicing because this weekend we are going for track day again.
Okay.
There won't be no vlog this time.
So when are we watching Ferrari on the tracks?
Ferrari on the
Anytime
track.
soon?
So it's basically 2,000 kilometers is a run-in.
Okay.
So the way you know how the car has run-in is the catalytic converter, which sits right below the driver's seat, has a wool. It's a literal wool which is in the catalytic converter. So when we know the engine is running, that's when you see all the wool come out of the exhaust.
Okay.
You can literally pull the wool as strings from the exhaust.
Oh.
That's when we know that the car is running and the engine is opened up completely.
Okay.
So till that point, we should drive it little carefully, not go to be aggressive with the car. You all need to understand that this is a hand-built car. There is no machine involved except for the paint process. Everything is hand-built. The consequences of that is Ferrari broke my Ferrari. This part of the driver side handle is broken. Nothing wrong with it. It is quite possible to have it. People have lost options on the car. So that's also a way to know that this car is very personal.
Yes.
Because a human being has done it. Humans do make mistakes, and that's a part of it. Nothing wrong on Ferrari part. They were very courteous to send a replacement quickly. It's coming this weekend, so we'll be done with it. Other than that, the car is perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. And that's pretty much it.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गाड़ी है. अन्ना ने बहुत प्यार से बनाई है. वी सॉ द स्पेक जो हम लोगों ने कॉन्फ़िगरेटर में देखा था. सो इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिक कार्स फॉर श्योर. एंड होपफुली ट्रैक में देखेंगे तब और भी अच्छा लगेगा.
And we have the Novitec exhaust and the wheels coming in.
Yes.
Novitec exhaust shipped out last Friday. It's in transit. But obviously, until you open up the engine, you're not supposed to change the exhaust.
Okay.
So probably might do it December this year. Wheels will take some time because there is shortage of aluminium in the world, and the billets are not available for them to make the wheels.
Okay.
Plus, we are not getting tires. Even if we have the wheels, I don't have the tires, so that would take some time. This color, obviously it's a special color, Blue TDF. Tour de France, which is a title right which was held by Ferrari for a while, and then they sold it to the famous bike race that we all know about, the Tour de France. So from that point of time, they have removed the name Tour de France and just calling it TDF. It's part of their 70th anniversary color collection. Ferrari, we have seen on Indian roads, it's always been red. It's Rosso Corsa, which is their race color, which they use for their Formula 1 tracks, Formula 1 cars. But they have 15 different color options, and all the colors are really gorgeous. You can see them. I mean, obviously you've seen it in UFO's vlog in the showroom. It's not a risk. You can try out different colors. They really look good, and this is one example of that. Blue TDF is a very popular color, and I've got also a note from Ferrari that in the 812 Superfast, TDF is the second highest sold color.
Oh my god.
After the red
one.
which is a standard thing that they usually sell. It's a very popular color on this car. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll go for PPF right now. PPF would take about 4 days. Once that is done, then we can go for a drive, and then I can show you how the car drives and all. Can't really do that right now because if any stone chips, anything that happens, you screw up this beautiful plate, which I don't want to. So head out for PPF and catch you guys later.
So guys, like and subscribe ज़रूर कर देना, and we will be heading towards the garage, and we'll be getting the car ready for the roads. See you until then. Bye guys.